From the Indian side on this debate, Maroof Raza and General G.D. Bakshi joining us from Delhi. From Islamabad, I'm joined by Colonel Bashir Wali Mohammad, former DG of the Intelligence Bureau of Pakistan. Dr. Farzana Bari is a human rights activist based in Islamabad. My first question is to Ahmad Raza Kasuri, who's a senior advocate of the Supreme Court of Pakistan. He joins us from Karachi. Knowing the facts of the case and the fact that it has been exposed now in the Express Tribune newspaper of Pakistan, Ahmad Raza Kasuri, don't you believe that silence from Pakistan will not work on this? On how Chamal Singh was killed and why he was killed?
You see, this is a delicate matter. It requires a judicial probe. And unless there is a judicial probe, the milk will not be separated from the water. So for the evidence which you have shown, you have only highlighted the voices, but you have not shown the individual, who were the individuals who were saying that he was put to torture. You see, but suppose if he was really put to the torture, well then the person who are responsible should be put to the task. You see.
Yeah, but it's not been done, Mr. Kasuri. It's not been done, Mr. Kasuri, and these are all, there are a lot of people in Pakistan, including lawyers, activists, advocates, media, everybody who's talking about it. So, I'm not hiding anything, I'm just putting the facts out.
No, the position is that until and unless facts become clear and the facts are supported by autopsy, because the medical evidence when corroborate with the oral evidence, well, that's established.
This is the autopsy report which is out in the Pakistani media, by the way. Is the autopsy report which is out in the Pakistani media?
It needs a judicial probe. You see, I'm a man of law, and I will not budge an inch unless and until there is a judicial finding that he was put to death through a torture. But suppose if it is established that he was put to death by torture, well then I would strongly condemn and I will recommend that the people who are responsible should be brought to the book.
I don't think this is accidental. My only point is, 1 week after an Indian soldier is beheaded, exactly at the same time, General G.D. Bakshi, exactly at the same time when India tells Pakistan enough is enough, be careful, don't mess around with us. Exactly at that time, this man gets killed in this manner, and for 2 months, Pakistan tries to put a lid over it. For 2 months, till they return his body. When they return his body, General Bakshi, the liver, the kidneys and the heart have been removed in a most suspicious manner. Your response, please, to our guest from Pakistan.
Arnab, the litany of demented and psychotic behavior that we have been getting from Pakistan is now absolutely sickening. Is this a normal nation state or is it a terrorist state? The pity is that their entire educational curriculum per se has been vitiated with, needless trying to engender hatred for the people of your neighborhood, for the country with which we were one previously. And it is this which has been leading to this litany, as I call it, of mutilations, of torture. Look what they have done to their own Shia minority.
No, but let's talk about Chamal Singh. Let's talk about Chamal Singh.
Don't talk of the other minorities.
Let's talk about Chamal Singh.
Chamal's case is one, Arnab, where I am very grateful to you that you have upheld the dignity of the life of an ordinary Indian. It is not just the Zulu category Indians whose lives count. That, unfortunately, is the feudal mindset that is even there in our country. It is the ordinary Indians. If they keep getting tortured like this, I think we have to speak up. We have to create disincentives for the Pakistani state to stop behaving in this psychotic manner.
Let's get Colonel Bashir Wali Mohammad.
Have to be named and shamed.
Colonel Bashir Wali Mohammad, this entire case of Chamal Singh and the way in which he was tortured in a Pakistani prison in Lahore, in Kot Lakhpat jail, what are your views on it? Why is it being hushed up by your government?
Well, I'm sorry to hear what my friends, already been talking. They're just harping on these old points. and you know, the chap who was the soldier was killed there and here. It was all their own creation.
Whose
It was
creation?
the raw game. They were playing the game. So I think it should not be so hyper, and they should stop playing this game. Now let me tell you about this gentleman. Now this chap was involved in the espionage. He was arrested on Sialkot border, not in Lahore, and then later on he was sentenced 5 years, and he was in the Kot Lakhpat jail.
Yeah.
Now in the jail, you know, if there is any torture, let's see the process. I've seen, I've interrogated a lot of people. I know how the system goes.
Yeah.
If at all their version we take, then this torture could have been there in the process of interrogation. Now
Oh.
the chap was punished.
So you admit.
Whatever it was.
No, you admit.
And then he was in the jail.
No, one second.
He has
one
already
second, one second.
spent.
Colonel Bashir Mohammed.
Just listen, please.
No, my question to you, Colonel Bashir
that,
Mohammed.
you know, he has been there in the jail for a couple of years.
Yeah.
And now they have given the only evidence they are coming up with that Pakistani liar. And look at his credibility. Even the liar community does not accept him
Okay,
as a
so,
liar.
Colonel, I have a few
He
questions
was
for you.
also beyond the bar for 42 months. And that too in a fraud case. So you should see
Colonel
what the
Bashir
credibility
Mohammed,
is.
I want to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Is it normal nowadays, I don't know how things work in Pakistan, that in the course of interrogation you kill a person because he went out to wash his clothes? This is the case of Chamail Singh, by the way, Colonel. He was washing his clothes from an open tap, and there were eyewitnesses who said that he was mercilessly beaten by jail staff who made remarks against Indians and minorities. Right? And when his body was locked up, till now, we do not know what is the cause of his death. Till now. When his body is returned, tell me, Colonel, is it normal to take out the liver, the kidneys and the heart?
No.
No, is it normal to do that also?
No, it's not normal.
Then why did it happen?
No, look, you are again quoting the same witness. As I
Sir,
say,
I am
will
not quoting a witness.
Take him as a
No,
witness.
sir, I'm not quoting a witness.
He was a criminal himself.
No, Colonel Bashir Mohammed, not quoting a witness.
A criminal himself.
No,
and
sir.
Do you take that
Yeah, I am not.
the authority will call the liar and
Sir,
make
I
him
am not
stand
quoting
and
a
then
witness.
Punish the chap like that.
Colonel Bashir Mohammed, a 5-member board of doctors examined his body when it came back to Jammu. And be it known, the body
report
had
is
no
still- the
heart,
chemical
no
report is
kidneys,
still
and so
to
no
come.
liver. It had signs of torture.
Like chemical report, you know, I haven't seen the report. So please, if you could produce that thing, as you know, my friend,
I want to get in Maruf.
like the barrister Kasuri has said, if we could see that, and then we will be able to comment. There has to be.
Well, I think it's
a
shameful.
judicial inquiry.
Well,
and
but
not
Colonel
just a simple
Bashir,
probe
I think
and
it is.
huge.
I think it is right royal shameful, because the last thing we thought was that beheading was the lowest point to which people could go. But the fact that, you know, torture of this point and the removal of internal organs after thrashing a person to death while he is in your prison.
You know, if you can produce that anything which we haven't seen. So it is your version what you are giving.
It's
I'm
not
sorry.
my version.
We will
No, it is not my
buy what
version.
you are
How?
saying.
It is not my version. You should read your own newspapers. What makes you believe that Pakistani media has any
my
allegiance or bias
newspaper,
towards
you know,
India?
It is the way it has come. You know, it is the way that your newspaper has come.
Sir,
up.
it is the way
You
your
know,
newspaper.
they will
It is
come
the
up
way
with
your
it.
newspaper. The Express Tribune is not an Indian newspaper.
Everybody will give his own version.
That's not true. It is
and
your
these things have
newspaper.
been, you know, it happens.
Sir, it is-
even in the jail, you
Sir?
know, there are laws in between. There are groups.
I want-
But
really?
you know, I not only that I've been dealing with what subjects you have picked up, but I've also been the minister of the prison for some time.
Yeah.
And I know. And the prison, you know, prisoner like that, the people, especially at the tail end of his punishment, which is about to leave, people are very, very courteous. They know, because you
Courteous.
know they live for
So is
5
this the
years
courtesy?
away in this case.
Why don't
So
you? I want to get in
don't
Dr.
buy what,
Farzana, but I don't
this was.
understand. Sir, Colonel Bashir, if this is Pakistani courtesy in Pakistani jails, I am shocked and surprised. I
It's
want to
not
get in
the
Maruf
Pakistani.
Raza at this point of time.
Look,
Sir, this story.
It is look at your own Indian version.
Sir.
I'm sure you know the Samba.
Sir, let me tell you.
That
Sir, let me
started
tell you.
in 1971.
So why are you avoiding
finished
my
in
question?
90. Please.
Colonel
just
Bashir
hold on.
Mohammed,
Don't.
Colonel Bashir
You know,
Mohammed, one second. Colonel Bashir Mohammed, 1 minute please. Colonel Mohammed, please understand, this autopsy report has been published in your own media.
One minute.
This
I just
autopsy
don't
report
ask
has
the
been
question.
published in your own media.
No,
You
I
can
just have the
you can
stamina.
claim that I have an agenda. I want you to tell me tonight, what
you have
agenda
an
does your
agenda.
media
I'm
have?
sure you are working on a particular, you have the agenda. Please,
What
if you are
agenda
asking
does
the
your
question-
media have? What agenda does your media have to expose
just
your
forget-
system?
I'm, as far as I'm concerned, I'm least pushed about the media part.
That's
Whether
what
they
you
have
don't-
the agenda, you have an agenda.
Sir,
you
what-
know, just listen.
Sir, when
That
the facts come out,
if you
Colonel
just go
Colonel
through
Colonel
the
Mohammed,
record,
you see what
I've
happens
given
is
you one example.
Colonel Mohammed.
I've given you, let's you are this Samba spy
Sir,
scandal,
no.
where
Colonel-
your
Colonel
own
Mohammed,
people,
answer
your
my
soldier,
question. Answer my question and let me interview you one-on-one.
Torture for months.
I'm
and they
asking you,
were-
Colonel
look at
Mohammed.
their
I thought you would
families.
apologize
So
tonight on
please,
behalf of what's happened in
It
Pakistan.
happens.
Colonel Mohammed.
So as far as I'm concerned, we are least pushed to what happened there.
Sir,
but this is the reality.
One
You don't
minute.
say
1 minute,
Pakistani
please.
culture. This is
1
your
minute.
culture.
1 minute. Colonel
This is your
Mohammed,
culture.
please understand one thing, please, calmly. I'm requesting
No,
you,
then
Colonel
I do
Mohammed.
understand.
Colonel
Don't try
Mohammed,
to
I'm
teach me,
requesting you.
okay?
I'm requesting you, don't get worked up.
No, please don't try to
Don't
teach
get
me.
worked up.
I started this game when probably you were not even born.
I am
can
telling
see
you, Colonel Mohammed,
you were
don't
not
get
even
worked
born
up. I
when
am
was
telling
doing
you
this
the
thing.
facts.
So please don't.
You accept
don't
the
try
facts.
to teach me.
Colonel
Just
Mohammed,
keep your own
Colonel
this thing
Mohammed,
and
the
you are
autopsy
paid by
report
this
has been
channel and
published in
you
your
keep doing
Pakistani
that.
media. And if you don't want to listen to uncomfortable facts, you can tell me. I will still put the uncomfortable facts to you. A man has been tortured to death in a Pakistani prison and his body mutilated has been sent back to
Who
India.
says that
The
he was
autopsy
tortured
report
to
is
death?
ready.
The
It
report
has been
has to
reported
come
in a
still.
section of the Pakistani media. Are you willing to accept what you did to Chamel
No, I
Singh?
just forget about the media. Everything
Yeah,
comes
forget
in the
about
media,
anybody
it
except
comes
your
and goes.
version,
That's
right?
not,
Let's get Maruf in. Maruf is responding to you. Maruf, I see the same approach that initially came in after the beheading of the Indian soldier. Maruf.